Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Akanksha Mathur. In my previous vlog, I talked about few techniques which I learned in TISA to achieve fluency. First one was bouncing, and the second one was voluntarily stammering. In today's vlog, I am going to discuss about four more techniques which are prolongation, pausing, continuous prolongation and pull out. But before starting about it, I would like to clear one doubt. People think that these techniques will just cure their stammering in few weeks, but unfortunately they do not act like medicine. You just can't take a 3 days or 4 days course of a medicine and cure your stammering. You need to practice a lot. You need to devote yourself. Practice these techniques in front of strangers, not just in your room. You need to take up new challenges daily and push yourself. I guarantee you that your devotion will pay. You will become fluent. All you need to do is practice. Now, let us start with the techniques. The third technique is prolongation. As the name suggests, you need to stretch the word on which you are getting a block. आपको उस वर्ड को खींच कर बोलना है जिसमें आपको ब्लॉक आ रहे हैं. It can be done in two ways. First one is to stretch the first letter of the word. Second one is to stretch the complete word. Let me give you examples for both. For the first one, I like listening music. For second one, I like listening music. So this is how I practiced prolongation. Prolongation also helped me to speak some difficult words. I had problems speaking words starting with letter H. So the way I practiced it, I will share it with you. I broke up the word and spoke one letter at a time. For example, if I have to say word hello, I first broke it up. Hello. Now see my mouth and my face, how I'm going to say. Hello. 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 So this is how I first made a sound of her, then I added E and then I added lo. Hello. So this I practiced many times. I will also show you, like, some people stuck on letters starting with M or P where your lips meet. P, M. So for that case, you need to loosen up your mouth muscles. In order to lose your mouth muscle, you should take a deep breath. Patience. This is how you can practice letter P. Some people have difficult in speaking vowels A, E, I, O, U. For that also, I will recommend to break up the words and start speaking by taking a deep breath. Loose up your mouth muscles and then start with only making the noise or sound of that vowel only. For example, I want to speak word aeroplane. Aeroplane. So I started by speaking letter aeroplane. So you need to practice more and more words, write it down, speak them 10 times, 12 times daily, write down some letters on which you had blocks, and you can practice them in night. The next technique is pausing. This technique is not only used by stammerers but also by some great public speakers like Barack Obama and Deepak Chopra, etc. When I observed my stammering, I noticed that I was getting more blocks after speaking a few sentences. The frequency of my blocks increased. The reason was that because I was speaking long sentences and there was no gap in between to catch my breath. Then pausing technique came to my rescue. I started speaking short sentences, and after finishing one sentence, I took a short pause, took deep breath, and then again started speaking my next short sentence. Let me give you my intro using pausing technique. My name is Akanksha Mathur. I am a software developer. I love listening music. I have learned classical dance. So this is how I speak short sentences and pause in between to catch my breath. The next technique is continuous prolongation. It means speaking in such a way that there is no gap in between two words. For example, the weather today is rainy. It is raining since last night. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, मैंने बोलते समय दो वर्ड्स के बीच में कोई गैप नहीं रखा. पहले वर्ड का आखिरी लेटर और सेकंड वर्ड का फर्स्ट लेटर आपस में जुड़े हुए थे. The objective of this technique is not to give any gaps for your blocks to creep in. अगर आप रुक रुक कर वर्ड्स बोलेंगे तो ऑफ कोर्स आपको ब्लॉक्स आ सकते हैं, बट अगर आप जगह ही नहीं देंगे ब्लॉक्स को आने की तो वो कभी नहीं आएंगे. बट in order to practice this technique, you need to speak short sentences, because while using continuous prolongation, you will not get any chance to catch your breath, and eventually you will become breathless and blocks will creep in. The next technique is pull out. All the previously discussed techniques are used when you are about to go into a block, but pull out technique is the only one used when you are in a block. I have written down majorly 5 steps to practice this technique. The first one is to do voluntarily stammering and purposely get into a block. The second step is to loosen up your mouth muscles. The third step is to speak or make a sound or noise of the letter on which you are stuck. Fourth step is to speak the next letter Fifth step is to speak the complete word using prolongation. Let me give you an example of pull out. I like reading about technology. So, if you have observed me, I used all these steps and I went into a blog and pulled out myself. Let me give you another example. She is a potential candidate. She is a potential candidate. So this is how you need to practice pull out technique. You can write down the steps. I have mentioned these steps in the video description. You should make a video of yourself while practicing all these techniques and observe yourself. You can also send your videos, short videos to me over my email. My email ID is stutteringbeauty@gmail.com. I am reading all your comments in my previous videos and I am reading all the emails. Thank you so much for writing to me, and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel